Hello guys, this is the Sandpit for the CAT exam. Sandpit is basically a play area where you can play along. So complete syllabus of the CAT exam, verbal section, then DI logic section, then quant section. All I want to do is I want to download this sheet and start filling it what is my score or what is my performance in each of the area. At least मैंने टॉपिक किया है कि नहीं किया, नहीं किया तो भी कर लो, ठीक है. कर लिया है तो very good. How much you are performing, how good you are performing. Why I'm calling the play area? What you can do here is you can add up your mock score here, mock 1, mock 2, mock 3. You can add up your score. So whichever way you want to play with this sheet, you can play with the sheet. Yeah. And I've taken an average as well of slot 1, 2, 3 so that I can find out which topic are the largest and the most important. So if I look at this thing, matrix page arrangement is 5 question, RC 4 question, 4 question, games and tournament 3 question average. So I can find out. Then if I go by section wise, then within DI logic, these are the main topics. Within quant, these are the main topics. So I can sort them according to my liking. So there's a beautiful sheet available for you to download. So please download from the link which is given in the description box. So this is our new website CATify. The link is given in the description box where you can go and download this Sandpit. The moment you click here, you can download this Excel sheet where you can check your performance, where we can update all these beautiful things. All right. So the first page here, once you download the sheet, is this CATify Sandpit. Along with this, you have the complete study plan in which I've divided into week 1, week 2, week 3, weekly study plan, complete weekly study plan, and the complete overview of the syllabus for the CAT exam. So all these beautiful things are available here in this link. And in case you want to join our program, you can just call or WhatsApp any of the numbers given here. We're also launching a program for weekend batch for CAT 2023. So in case you want to join, just call or WhatsApp any of the numbers given here. All the best.